An affordable, dependable answer to diverse lighting needs is the Bicolor 480 LED 2-light kit with stands from Neewer. The set consists of two 10 by 10.4 x 1.9 inch bicolor 480 panels, each with a white diffuser, an AC adapter, and 6.2-foot light stand, and a carrying case. The color temperature of the bicolor 480 panels can be adjusted from 3200 to 5600 K to match other fixtures and blend in with surrounding ambient light or simply for artistic expression. Likewise, the lights can be dimmed from 25% to 100%. The bicolor 480s can run on 110 to 130 VAC using the supplied adapters. And when main power is not available, they can also be used with optional Sony NP-F550 or NP-F970 batteries. The panel's CRI rating of 96 is a measure of how accurately the colors are rendered.